Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I'll go ahead and read you the question and then we can get started. So the question says, Alice and Corinne stand back to back. They each take 10 steps in opposite directions away from each other and stop. Alice then turns around, walks toward Corinne, and reaches her in 17 steps. The length of one of Alice's steps is how many times the length of one of Corinne's steps? All of Alice's steps are the same length, and all of Corinne's steps are the same length. Okay, go ahead and start the time now. Okay, so they start, start time now. Okay, so they start back to back here. Alice walks 10 in this direction, Corinne goes 10 in this direction. Then Alice starts here and walks 17 to get to Corinne, who is here. So what that tells us is that to start out, she walks this 10, so I'm going to call that 10A. Plus, she walks this 10C, but that only takes her, which is this distance here, 17A. So now I'm going to 10C equals 7A, so I just subtracted 10A from both sides, and I'm going to solve this for A. So I'm going to get A equals 10 over 7C, and that is going to be our answer. Actually, I guess since the question technically says it's how many times the length, so our actual answer would be 10 over 7. Okay, so now I'm going to take the time and kind of slow down a little bit and explain where I got that answer. So what we needed to do is we needed to find a relationship between A and C, and then we needed to find how many times, basically A equals what times C. So in order to do that, I drew a picture, and I basically showed that this distance here, these were Alice's steps, so I called those A, and then this distance here was C, because they were Corinne's steps. And so her 10 initial plus Corinne's 10 initial were equal to her taking 17. I think that's the essential part of this problem, and then from there it's pretty easy because all you have to do is just solve for A, and then you get your answer. So I hope that helped. My email is in the description if you're interested in setting up any tutoring sessions. All right, thanks for watching.